Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something very special to me. It's very exciting for me as well. It's my first ever collab with a brand, sort of like sponsorship at the same time, but I'm not getting paid to do this video. I was, however, sent this product and was asked if I could do a video on it. So yeah, by the title you can probably tell what product it is. It's an IPL hair removal device. Now everything I say in this video will be 100% my opinion, so I haven't been paid to say anything positive about the brand itself. I haven't been told I need to say so and so it's honestly my honest opinion. I wouldn't say something is good if it's not, and vice versa. So this is the IPL hair removal device by Amazon Beauty. I think that's how you say it. I'll put the name of the company up here. I'll also put the direct Amazon link down below in case you guys want to directly buy it. So what an IPL hair device is essentially like an at-home laser to remove your hair, and it's a permanent form of hair removal, which is like godsend, because you see all this hair on my head. You can imagine like how hairy my arms are, my legs are, everything is just such a hassle. So I'm going to show you what comes in here, and then I'll tell you how much it retails for and all that stuff. So you get a charger. So this is like, you have to have it plugged in whilst you use it. You get a pair of glasses, which is really important you wear them because the laser can damage your eyesight. If you've ever got laser hair removal done like outside of your house, you know, like gone to get it done, you know you have to wear these anyway. And then this is the hair removal device. That is the laser port there. Under here you get all the instructions which tell you, know, how to use it, blah blah blah. I will go over sort of like how you use it and all that stuff now. I will insert a video here of me using it on my legs. So it suggests you use it about once a week for 8 weeks, and then that is enough to see like results. So I've been using it for 6 weeks, so obviously like it's been a long time. I received it ages ago and I just wanted to get this video out there. I would have to shave my underarms every like 2 days, 3 days. You can see I've been using it. Oh, this is so TMI, but it's fine. So it doesn't leave any like darkness that you can get with shaving. However, this isn't suitable for everyone. So the only negative thing honestly that I see about this product is that it can't be used on the darkest of skin tones, and it also can't be used on very fair people that have like ginger hair, because what this does is it targets the melanin in your hair follicle. So you can imagine if you are dark skinned and you've got melanin all over your skin, it can burn your skin instead of burning the hair root. Same thing goes for people with like auburn red hair, is that there's no melanin in your hair, so it can't target that. That's the only thing that I can honestly say is a negative from this, and it is quite a big like it takes out a big amount of people that can purchase this and use this, and I do understand that. However, I'm someone like, I'm Mediterranean, like I've always been very hairy. Shaving my legs was always such a hassle. I haven't done my arms yet because my arm hair has never really bothered me, but maybe in the future it's something I do. So far I've used it on my underarms, my full leg, so like my thighs, my knees, my whole leg, and my bikini line and my like bikini area. So it is safe to use on your face and bikini area. So I as well suffer from really bad because I've got PCOS, I do get quite a bit of facial hair, so I dermaplane it, and then I go in with this after I dermaplane on my face, and oh my god. So this needs to be used on freshly shaven, clean, dry skin. So essentially what that means is you shave, you do all that stuff, you come out of the shower and you dry. You can use it up to a day after, because your hair has to be less than 1 millimeter long. And the reason you have to use it on shaved skin is because this targets the root. You don't want to use it on hair that's been like waxed. You don't want to use it on anything that's like pulled the root out, because then that will not work. So now it is on. As you can see, we press this thing to turn it on. In this bottom corner, I'll insert a picture down here. You've got different settings that every time you press, you can change the strength. So 5 is the maximum, and I don't even use 5. I use like 3 or 4 on my legs. And then areas like your face and your bikini line, you might want to go down to like a level 1 or 2, because that is like the intensity. So contrary to a lot of laser that I've had done, so I've been having laser done on my face since I was 13, and the last time I did it was last summer. So literally like 7 years worth of laser. It's a lot, and it's so painful. Like I know my friends have had laser on the other parts of their body and they say it's not that bad, but my face would get red and big patches of hives, and I'd get breakouts, and it was honestly so painful. Like I'd be crying after it, and my mom was like, oh my god, this is really bad. So the positive thing about this is it does not hurt at all. There is zero pain. The only thing you feel is a little bit of warmth from the laser. Obviously the higher the level, the more the warmth. mouth, but it's not a burning sensation at all. It feels just like a hot water bottle. That's the most you're gonna feel, is like a hot water bottle sort of sensation. For someone who has been going to do laser on my face for so many years, and it's been so painful, and I've suffered so much with facial hair and stuff, it's like really like life-changing for me to have something like this that I can do from my own home, not have to worry about cost. So this product retails for $89, which is like £60, something like that, which you might think is kind of expensive. Honestly, if you know how much laser sessions cost, this is not expensive. So waxing itself, like a waxing session can cost like £30 for like half leg and underarms or something. And like when I went to laser, I think my mom paid over €300 for a package for my like face alone. Like that's not including any other part of my body. So I think this costing $90 or however much it is isn't really a lot of money if you think about it, because it is something that you can use at home for years and years, and you won't even have to do it for years, because after a few weeks or a few months the results are there and it's permanent. This lasers this much area at a time, plus 3mm square around it. The other day I sat down on the floor and I did my legs, my underarms, and my bikini line. Okay, so my camera died, so I had to go charge it, so here we are like an hour later. So this is $89, like I said, which is around £60 compared to other IPL devices which I've looked at before I was even offered this. They're around like £300. So I will be like putting in before and after pictures here, maybe in the thumbnail as well. Like I said, I would usually have to shave like my underarms every 2 days, my legs every like week, and that's like leaving them hairy. They say that 8 weeks is enough to see full results, and I'm already in week 6 and I think the results are super visible. Like my leg hair will grow in patches and at such a slow rate. The only one I haven't seen full transformation yet is my bikini line. Just the hair there is a lot thicker, a lot coarser. It has definitely grown a lot slower, but I still feel like I have to do it for a few more weeks, which is fine because obviously I'm not paying anything extra. It doesn't hurt and it's quick. In the link that I will include, it also talks about what skin types and what skin tones are suitable for it. So if you're not sure if your skin tone is alright or your hair color is alright, just check the link and it will be evident. I don't know. I think for the price of it, it is pricey. Like £60 is a pricey thing, but considering that I've paid hundreds and hundreds of pounds for laser just on my face and that hasn't worked, for me, I much prefer it. And the fact that it doesn't hurt, like I've got a pretty high pain tolerance, but that laser on my face was like killing me. I'm pretty sure that's all I needed to say. Like I'm trying to think if there's anything I left out, I will leave it in the description down below. Like I said, I'll try and include sort of before and after photos throughout this, but definitely do check the link out. So I don't get any like percentage of commission, I don't get paid for this video, I just got sent this to try it out and then give my opinion, and this is my 100% opinion. I think it's like really good and it's something that I'm going to carry on using till I see the full effect, and I'm very grateful to the company that sent me this. Thank you for letting me sort of do my first ever collaboration with a brand. It's been very fun and kind of stressful. I feel like I'm finally getting on track with this like YouTube thing, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for supporting my channel if you have this far.